On today's video, we're making bacon wrapped brat boats and a homemade Bloody Mary to top it off. So let's get to cooking. Alright, so this is going to be a super cool one, especially if you got kids. We've been having a lot of nieces and nephews come to the lake house this summer, and you know, they kind of dig stuff like this. But you know what? Honestly, they just taste good. So, I mean, all my fellow fat asses, pony up. Slice it down the middle. Open it up. Oh, and by the way, we are actually using our Kosmos sausages. This is our queso bratwurst. Freaking phenomenal. So if I stuff it with cheese and wrap it in bacon, it's only going to be even better. I need 2, 4. I need more bacon. All right, so when you're wrapping these, make sure to overlap right here, just like that. You're gonna wrap around and overlap it again. Keep wrapping it. Now, from here, you can tuck it or just stick a damn pin in it. Bam! There's one. And this is just string cheese, mozzarella cheese. These are fully cooked sausages already. So all we're really trying to do is crisp up the bacon, and obviously in the process melt the cheese, melt the queso a little bit. All right. Now, I'm rolling Dirty Bird hot on these. You do whatever you like. Whatever you got at the house, it doesn't matter. But I promise you, these suckers are gonna be good. Let's go put them on the Weber. All right, so we're gonna be running these indirect over here. Dang, this is hot. Super simple, super easy. This was actually a Father's Day gift, probably about 15 years ago. And then look, I bring it up here and look how they treat it. Fucking kids. All right, so while those are cooking, I'm gonna show you a staple that we used to do at Competition Barbecue Fence every Saturday morning, and that's Bloody Marys. Now that we have a whole new lineup of Bloody Mary mix, olives, eggs, okra, salsas, jams, butters, what else we get? Salsas. It only makes sense to do this. So, super simple, super easy. Dirty Bird hot in a Bloody Mary, game changer. Never again will you have one without it. Tito's vodka, 2 ounces, or yeah, that's about enough. Kosmos Q, Bloody Mary mix, the original. Right about there. W sauce, Bear and Burt. Love those guys. Just a little bit. Here's where I got a good taste. I didn't fill it up all the way top because we're gonna put some pickled quail eggs, spicy pickled quail eggs, some jalapeno stuffed olives, and spicy okra. Damn, that's so good. I love these. Have you had these yet, Wes? I have not. Oh, geez, son. Sorry, I got a line there. Okra, quail egg. I'm gonna do two olives. These are good. Boom, just like that. Nice little stir stick, and Dirty Bird on hot. Dirty Bird hot on top. This right here, I promise you, that is where it is. This is a competition Bloody Mary at home. That's how we make them. Damn, that's so good. I need to go check on the brats. These are good. All right, so they've been on here probably about 15 minutes. They're looking fantastic. Cheese is melting, starting to come out a little bit. Love it. They're almost done, actually. They probably got about another 10 minutes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. These look fantastic. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been craving this. Ooh, look at that, son. Come on, son. I'm gonna hit mine with a little mustard. I wonder if we'll get some cheese pull. My luck with mozzarella, my luck with really any cheese, I don't really get cheese pull the way I want, you know, which makes me think that they gotta be bullshitting us.
It's a cheese conspiracy.
Yeah. So let's see. Cheese pull. Come on. Yeah! Ah! Hot! It took literally the stringiest cheese in the world, string cheese, for me to get cheese pull. But these are phenomenal right here. Them kids. I'd eat these myself. Wash it down with my Bloody Mary. That's good. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, especially for this Bloody Mary, down in the descriptions or pinned in the comments. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Tito's vodka, 2 ounces, or I'd probably done a little bit more, but my wife's right back there. So this is the fun part that you let the kids do. I may wrap this one with an extra piece just for me.
Are you talking to the bratwurst or are you talking to us?